No. And tell you something of the benefits. They call him Kipper. Kipper the dog. The dog with the slipper. That's Kipper. Kipper the dog. And we can do this. So we can do this. They call him Kipper. It is Kipper. And that's a frog. I haven't liked him on the show.
Angelina Mousling, famous star and prima ballerina. Angelina practices her twirls and plies and arabesques over and over. Her best friend Alice is by her side in good times and bad. Alice, you really are the cleverest best friend in the whole world. And her ballet teacher, Miss Lily, guides the little star's passion as she dances toward her dreams.
Well done, everyone.
Sometimes she can be a little feisty. Do it my way and we'll have the audience in tears. But when Angelina takes center stage, she gets rave reviews. Look for lights, camera, action, and other Angelina Ballerina products. Available now from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Playing with Barney makes children happy, but Barney knows that kids have other feelings too.
Even if you're very little, your feelings can still be very big.
Let's
They
see.
can make you frown or make you smile. They can make you giggle or make you cry. Could be happy, could be sad. Everybody's got feelings. Everybody's got feelings. It might feel little for some of your day, or big and scary, but that's okay. Could be angry, could be glad. Everybody's got feelings. Everybody's got feelings. All different feelings, all in one day.
Watch Barney's Happy, Mad, Silly, Sad. Available now from Hit Entertainment.
Entertainment.